The Google Pixel 3 XL will bring the notch according to some news sources. We get confirmations of the Samsung Galaxy S10's in-display fingerprint scanner, and Apple just rolled out iOS 11.4, bringing new features for the HomePod. I'm Jaime Cumbersome Rivera, and using the word cumbersome is cumbersome. The word I use is apparently, Diego. This is Pocketnow Daily. The official news today begin with deals. The Samsung Galaxy Note 8 continues to be that phone that gets discounted, and it is one of those devices that we still recommend even this year. If you're in the market, it's currently $270 off on T-Mobile, and then if you go to the Samsung store, there are additional discounts, or should I say different discounts, depending on what model you pick and stuff. Now let's talk about AT&T and LG. For those of you wondering why there wasn't a G7 ThinQ on AT&T, that was because there was a V35 in the works. It is now official as of today. Yes, we were there covering the event, and there are some hands-on photos in the description. Most important, it pretty much is the V30 upgraded. It's the same design, pretty much things that we actually wanted on the G7 are here, and pre-orders begin on June 1st, though the price tag is kind of crazy. Now let's move the spotlight over to iOS 11.4 that went official today. And you know I usually don't cover these updates, but for those of you that spent a ton of money on the HomePod and are scratching your head over why, AirPlay 2 is now official with this update. Your HomePod needs a software update, and this will allow it to interact with other HomePods, because that's what Apple wants. They want you to spend a ton of money on speakers that don't really work well with Siri and can just really pull music from iPhones and, you know, that. You can learn more in the description, as this update doesn't bring AirPlay 2 just to the HomePod and iOS devices. There's actually a list. Now let's talk about the Samsung Galaxy S10. We've been covering rumors. Those of you wanting that in-display fingerprint scanner on the Galaxy Note 9, you won't be getting it. Rumors are that we're getting the S10 early at CES, and that it will include an ultrasonic in-display fingerprint sensor. It'll work pretty much just like the one that worked on Vivo phones, which we're still waiting to arrive in the United States. Vivo, yes. This is apparently going to be one of the features of the S10. CES will be actually quite early, but great. And finally, the most interesting news today have to do with LG, Google, and the Pixel 3 XL. Those of you wondering who's going to make this phone, yes, it's going to be LG again. There was a lot of controversy over the OLED panels from LG. LG is going to be making the panels, and we're not exactly sure if they're also going to be making the rest of the phone. Point is, yes, this is happening. We hear that the notch is coming. It's non-negotiable. Why, we still don't know. But in today's question, I think the most important part is, how do you feel about LG making the Pixel 3 XL again? Do you feel that this is a good idea? I mean, I feel that LG pretty much fixed it with updates that came later, but it was in second batch phones, not software updates. So I get your concerns. Let us know what you think in the comments. I hope LG figures it out. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to our channel by hitting this button up here. You can watch yesterday's Pocketnow Daily up here, and our thoughts on the camera of the OnePlus 6 down here. You can also follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We will see you tomorrow.